Broskis, check it out. We got about 20 or 25 orders that we have to ship out. Thank you guys so much for ordering your Filidrifts shirts. Check it out. Puros yonques. They're all nice and dobladitas, ready to go. And then I'm gonna be sending you guys some free stickers for the first, I think I said for the first 50 orders. You guys are gonna get a free slap.
Yeah.
Check it out. Link in the description if you guys want to get yourself a Filidrifts shirt. Remember, broskis, every order comes with a free slap. In just a few moments when I'm done packing these shirts, I will tell you what I'm gonna do with the shirt money. Alright? Alright, broskis, again, thank you guys so much for ordering those shirts. That shit is really gonna help me out. And here is why. Here is why. Alright, broski, so you guys remember, I think in my live, the last time I went live, I told you a little bit of what I was gonna plan on doing. But basically, I decided to make those shirts now because I'm trying to fund my trip back to Mexico. So you guys remember in October of 2018, we went to Guadalajara to fucking compete, and I plan on going again this July. I believe it's in July, so I don't know, I forgot the dates, but I'm planning on going back July to Guadalajara. I was thinking of taking the 350Z, but honestly, like, the budget is a lot, you know. Like, I mean, well, my budget is not that great, but I was calculating like the amount of money I was gonna need to take it and basically to bring it back, and it's a lot. I think I'm gonna spend like over $5,000 if I take it, because I gotta register the car, I gotta fucking pay somebody to take it, or I can take it myself, but then it's a hassle, bros. So since my homie Alex, the one that let me borrow the car last time, he's not gonna be driving, he said, fool, just drive my car again, just fix it. We're gonna fix that car right this time and fucking send it again with that car. So I hope we sell enough shirts to fucking get that car ready, you know. The car needs a like a tune. It needs a standalone because it's KAT, so it needs a tune. It needs some exhaust work. It needs all the arms in the rear because it has like, it's lowered on coils, but it doesn't have like no arms, so no adjustable arms. So I was thinking of taking my arms, because I have the ones that were on the troquita. I took them off. I believe they're like ISR, so I'm gonna take those off the subframe, and then I'm gonna take those and just put them on that car. Either way, I bought everything brand new for my other car, so I won't be needing them. So I'll just use those. And then what else? The car also needs, we're probably gonna do another wrap. So if anybody wants to like fucking sponsor the car, I'm looking for sponsors. So yeah, broskis, that's the plan. That's the plan with those shirts. I'm probably not gonna get like all the money from the shirts, but I mean, something, you know. Like, I'm gonna really need some cash, so I'm excited to fucking go out there, and this time I'm gonna fucking send it hard. Like last time me and Andy were just fucking joking around and shit. We took it as a joke, honestly, but this time I'm gonna do it for you guys, broskis. We're gonna get that dub and bring that #1 trophy, all right? All for you guys, broski. So fucking buy a shirt, it's for a good cause, and I'm excited. And also, I hope you guys are excited too, because that's gonna be sick. All right. Anything else I gotta say? So yeah, all the shirts I'm selling right now, they're only for the US, but I'm gonna talk to my homie Alex in Mexico. So whoever wants to buy a shirt from over there, you guys can get it from him. All right. So para los que quieren comprar camisas allá en México, mi compa Alex las va a repartir allá. So todavía no las hemos hecho, pero ya está en proceso, ya las las están haciendo. So nomás estoy esperando que las tengan listas y luego ya a ver cómo le hacemos para que Alex las reparta. Pero Simón, Y van a estar más baratas en México, creo, porque allá sale más barato hacerlas. Acá sale caro hacer camisas o le tengo que subir el precio. Pero allá en México el precio va a ser diferente, eso. Ahí está, para que se alivianen y para que hagan paro, compren camisa, porque se van a requerir fondos para arreglar el carrillo del Alex. Como ustedes ya saben, el carro ese ocupa mucho trabajo, mucha lana para que quede bien. Porque como lo traíamos el año pasado, está cabrón. So. Pero esperemos y vendamos a suficientes camisas para poder arreglarlo bien, para que quede al 100 y no tengamos problemas. Pero gracias por el apoyo, compas. Again, I think this was one of the shortest videos I've ever made. But again, I want to say thank you to everybody who bought a shirt. I hope everybody gets a shirt, and it's for a good cause, alright? If you guys make this happen, broskis, I won't let you guys down, I promise. I promise this time. Watch. I know last time I took it as a joke and shit. Like, I just wanted to have fun, you know? Like, I play too much, you know? I never take shit serious. So I never take shit kind of serious, but this time I'm gonna take it serious, and I plan to win. Like, for reals. Broskis, we have some unexpected visitor. My neighbor that never fucking comes to visit me. Sick. Turn around. Damn.
We got the 3-piece right here.
LDM, Let's Drift Media, in the house.
What's cracking, guys?
Check it out. Damn, look at this car. It's all full of nastiness. I haven't washed it since the day we brought it home. No mames. I'm so nasty. Let's see if it'll start. Let's go! Broskis. Alright, broskis, so as you guys saw, the homie Let's Drift Media showed up to my pad and brought a shirt for me and my homie Angel. But since I'm not doing shit right now, I'm gonna go take it to Angel and then see what the hell he's doing. I don't usually do videos driving my cars, but today we're gonna do the exception. A ver qué pedo, a ver qué anda haciendo el compa Angel. Broskis, we're running on hopes and dreams. Hopefully we make it. He's only like 5 minutes away, or 10. Nah, like 7 minutes. La verga, compas. B-Tech. Chingón, we made it. We made it, baby. Check out Angel's new 370Z. Let me get off and I'll show it to you guys. Holy shit, it's pretty clean. It's gonna be for sale in a couple weeks. I think he's just waiting for the rim, because I think he broke, well, when he bought the car, this wheel over here was broken, but it's basically the same thing as this one. Check out all the carbon fiber pieces. Chingon. Oh my god. Carbon fiber fenders. Carbon fiber hood. This bumper, I bought it for him when we bought the Christian's bumper. And side skirts as well. They're all color match. Chingón, ya los pintó el güey. ¿Qué pedo? My twin.
What up? ¿Líder o qué pedo?
Hi, Maya.
Hi. Dile hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Special delivery.
Special delivery, güey,
Chingón. Shout out to the homie.
Shout out to the homie.
Let's Drift Media. For the shirt.
A ver, póntela, güey. Vamos a ver si te queda.
A ver.
Oh, new lip or what?
New lip.
Chingon, chingon.
Yeah.
Chingon, looking good. Hey, güey.
He's not selling that?
Yeah, he's selling them. Ya bájala, no, ¿qué pedo? Hey, G, you need to buy one from
No,
mine, bro.
Let me know when you get one.
I have them in stock, bro. Ahí está. Puros pinches yonques. What's up with this? You're gonna paint the hood or what?
Yeah, we already primered it.
Oh, perro, eh? I'm gonna send you the bill. Let's shift media.
Looks good.
Eh? Free advertisement right here. Yeah?
I might have to charge me.
I'm gonna have to charge for this ad.
Chingon.
Not
Very
sponsored.
good quality.
Very good quality. Same shirt as mine, way.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Chingon.
Pretty good.
Stretchy or not?
Nah, it's like a triple.
It's like fitted,
good.
no?
Yeah, it's good. Like it's not too thick, you know.
Not too thick, not too
You don't
thick.
get too hot at the track.
Yeah. You don't start overheating at the track.
Fucking.
¿Qué pedo con el yonke, güey?
I think it's already ready.
Ready for next sesh?
I sanded down the headlights, re-cleared them.
Chingón.
About these eyelids. I don't know how I feel about them.
I don't like them, güey.
I don't know. So I might take them off. I got a new lip. Because when I bought the bumper.
That's the same year as mine, no?
Yeah. When I bought the bumper, it's an 08 one. So my old lip didn't fit. So I had to buy one. I painted it.
Is that slime?
And then I painted
Is that slime?
I painted the mud flaps. Because all that dirt and all the
Oh, it
tire
fucked them up.
shit.
Hey, wait, you need to paint your bumper. I mean, your mirrors, güey.
No, that's the only thing missing.
Shit's all faded, güey.
The pinche mirrors.
Chingón.
Ahí está. I just need to wash. Ready for the next event.
Ready for next sesh?
some
Hey, ¿qué
tires.
pedo, güey?
Need some tires. Well, these are the ones I barely picked up.
Uh,
So I just threw these on. Because I have the other ones.
Oh, those are the smaller wheels, huh?
Yeah. Because I have the other ones on 370.
Perros. Ay, güey, need more seats. Oh. Vas para allá.
Check it out. It's pretty clean.
It's automatic. A ver si no te regañan. Right there. Damn, fresh. So anybody interested in a 370Z automatic? Let me know. Slightly modified. Let's see what it does. See if it's worth the 5,000 que te voy a dar. It's alright, it's alright.
Did you see them or no?
It's alright. Baby flame. It's tuned up.
Good for your grandma.
Tuned for your grandma so she can go get some groceries.
Yeah.
So she can meet up with her boyfriend. Está. Holy shit, broskies. I'm running out of gas. La verga. You think I'll make it? I have like no fucking gas. Fucking A.